Government critic Wellington Masiwa, known on social media as Nuke Mabuno, is facing possible deportation from South Africa following the issuance of an international warrant for his arrest by Zimbabwean authorities. Sanabina Mashukar Pangwa Inojins, Iwa Nuke Mabuno, Iwa order could deportewa from South Africa. Pangwa Inoi, panofisa charges akasiyana-siyana aiwa against the ruling party ZANU-PF was subscribe wala got on the bell tivina panapa mupindulo mlangira chiti according to a copy of the warrant dated 29 April 2025 which is surfaced in the public domain. Masiwa is wanted in Zimbabwe to serve on outstanding 18-month prison sentence for fraud in violation of section 136 of the criminal law Codification and the Reform Act. The warrant was issued under the Southern African Development Community SADC Protocol on extradition, to which both Zimbabwe and South Africa are signatories. It instructs South African law enforcement agencies to arrest Masiwa and present him before the magistrate court for extradition. Proceedings read warrant. Journalist Woko Chungono has quoted one of the Masiwa's lawyers, Crispin Machungura, as saying that Masiwa, widely known by his social media alias Nuke Mabuno, has been in custody since 13 April 2025 when he was first arrested by South African police on immigration-related charges. South African authorities have charged Masiwa with contravening Section 49 of the Immigration Act, alleging that he was found in the country without a valid visa or permit. Masiwa appeared at the Randburg Magistrates Court on Wednesday, 30 April 2025 to answer to the immigration charges, during which time an international arrest warrant from Zimbabwe was formally served. According to Chungono's sources, Masiwa's bail application could not proceed because he presented a Zimbabwean birth certificate and national ID card bearing a date of birth that differs from the one recorded by the Zimbabwean government. The Zimbabwean authorities claim Masiwa was born in 1977, while the documents he submitted list his year of birth as 1987. Domashoko aiwa mamiri zvakaita nhau yaNuke Mabuno panguva ino achinokonzi as a critic of Emmerson Mnangagwa panguva ino achinoka kuSouth Africa aiwa asina madocuments akakwana. The government yeZimbabwe yakatwa advantage ndogaisa in arrest paari pamusa pa1 day. Tuuze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section yedu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.